Now we're going to do overhand on this side and underhand on this side. So this is what it'll look like when you get it. Let's start with the left arm. So it's in front of you. You're looking to the left. It's in front of you. You're going to come across the bottom to the right side, and it'll come out underhand in front of you. And come over the top in front of you, and come across the bottom to in front of you. And over the top in front of you, and across the bottom in front of you, over the top in front of you, across the bottom in front of you. And then when you take out the extra spaces, it'll look like this, back and forth, back and forth. And this one you might actually be able to look to the front, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, if you need to rotate and move your feet, do that for now. The other side of the arm, my side of the arm. The other side of the arm, my side of the arm. Overhand here, across the bottom to underhand here, over the top to the outside of the arm, across the bottom to my side of the arm, which is still the outside, across the top to the far side, across the bottom to my side. The right one. This is going to be the harder one. This is going to be the one where you might need to step into it because you might not feel like you have the flexibility to do it, and that's fine. So we're here like this, and we're going to come up over the top, turning to the right, and it'll still be back behind us, but it will be an underhand on the right side. Yes, lovely. Now come across the bottom, and it'll still be back behind us as we turn the other way. Come across the top, still be back behind us as we turn the other way. Come across the bottom, and across the top, and 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 across the bottom, across the top, and the bottom, and switching between them. And if you can do it eventually, you might be looking forward. See what happens when we do it with both arms. So we're overhand facing the left, and then when you're ready, you're going to bring your right arm up, your left arm down, switch sides of the body, and come out underhand facing the right. Here, let's do the Pilates. Okay, so we're here. The left is going to come across the bottom, the right comes across the top, and then the left comes across the top while the right's across the bottom. Left across the bottom while the right's across the top, right across the bottom. Left across the bottom, right across the bottom. Left across the bottom, right across the bottom. Left across the bottom, right across the bottom. Overhand, and then we're going to bring the right arm up, left arm down to pivot to underhand. Nice. Then we bring the left arm up and the right arm down to go back to overhand. And when you do that, remember to cross the left arm to the far side of the body. Left goes down, right goes up. Right goes down, left goes up. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. Left goes down, right goes up. Right goes down, left goes up. Left goes down, right goes up. Left goes up, right goes down. You were doing, you had shorter arms, but you were doing the same motion. So your arms were lower, and then you had gotten to a point where you're doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you had almost gotten to the point where it almost looked like just a shoulder reel with two counts in each rotation, 2 counts in each position. 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, rather than having the quality of a long arm extension, which would be that. Even if you did it 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, it's very different to have that long arm extension.